No. Thank you. how how about your vlog? Is it okay now? Do you earn? Eko ahead ah. Ega ha, ha. What's your channel nyo? My channel nyo is Naomi's Vlog. Just look on my community. I post my new channel there. And please also, I did on both channel. Oh, thank you, Michael Thompson. Michael Thompson is from where? You from? I have my friend also Thompson, which is, his name is Benjamin Thompson. He's one of my members of my channel. But now all my features and my YouTube will get suspended because of demonetized. It USA. Benjamin Thompson is from Australia. I will come norms. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so please guys, can you subscribe my other channel? Just I post it on my community. So thank you for my 98 viewers. Guys, I hope you also subscribe if you're new to my channel tonight. You know, Ega. And that's it. I'm here in the floor because in Philippines now is so summer. So hello to Jose Ella Voncal. Hello. Thank you, Michael Thompson from US. Shout out and shut up, shout out and do I go up ahead of shout out. Hello to my 92 viewers. Hello, just comment so I can shout out. Very happy to see you. Thank you so much. Jose Ella Voncal. Thank you so much. I don't know, it's not clear, my video. Like that, thank you. And I hope you also share my life, and also important is to subscribe because guys, I need to get my 100k, but I plan on my birthday on May 4th, I'll celebrate my 100k subscriber, but still, we're still in 98. So I hope you guys help to grow my channel for 100k, going to 100k subscriber to. So I want to get my YouTube play. That's my dream as a YouTuber to reach the 100k subscriber. But sad to say, my channel is still now demonetized, not yet monetized. I'll be apply on June 24, 90 days to wait. But it's okay. I'll still enjoy. And then quit my channel. I will go for fighting for my channel. So I hope the YouTube will observe me that I'm still doing my effort to continue my vlogging here in my channel, Naomi Singumas Vlog. Hi, hello Sento77. This is for also my avid viewers. Thank you so much. Hello, sweet mom. Hello, hi, shout out. And hello everyone. Hi Naomi, kumusta? Oo, andito pa rin ako. Sorry for not going live every day because I find other ways to earn money in other platforms while waiting for my reapplication on my YouTube channels. I'll find other also platforms to earn because I don't have work. This YouTube is my source of living, but sad to say that my YouTube channel is not able to earn this for now. So I'll wait for 90 days. So do you have Instagram? Yes, I have my Instagram. Naomi Hamarolin. Naomi Hamarolin is my Instagram. Just hello, yes, go ahead. Okay lang ako dyan. Jean Carlos Suarez. You're from John Carlos. I hope John Carlos subscribe.